Size candy. It's a Halloween staple. Imagine our surprise, though, when we saw a post gone viral showing fun-size salads. Little containers of salad ready to disappoint trick-or-treaters everywhere. Are they legit? We asked Mike Valerio to verify.
The official countdown to Halloween is on. Everybody's looking forward to the days of leftover candy and the sugar rush that, of course, follows. So you can imagine the scare that people got when this picture of a fun-size mini salad hit social media. People went nuts over the little bags. One woman asking, "Where can I find them? Kids in my neighborhood would love them." And a few mentioning this will get your house toilet papered and egged. But before you run out to buy, we, of course, verify. In fact, we tracked this photo back to this Instagram page. Adam, the creator, right here, well, guess what? He's a pro meme maker, so we can see why some people would be fooled and think this pic is real. Dole even got in on the action, letting everybody know that the photo is fake and poked fun at the idea of further mini products like pineapples and broccoli. Shifting gears, they did post a letter to the meme maker that scolds him for using their trademark without permission, but they are not demanding that the photo be taken down. So no need to be spooked. Your little ones won't be coming home with this treat in their candy bag since this product doesn't exist, and this post is false.
Yeah, nobody would really want those anyway, right?
I don't think so.
If you come up and somebody's giving out salad, you're like, it's okay, I'm good.
Pass. I'll go next
I'm
door.
good. Yeah, I'll go get the
I'll go
Reese's next door.
Exactly.
All right, so